Hello everyone. So today I am doing a just really classic fall glam sort of look. I have had my little break from doing makeup tutorials from Halloween because there were so many, and thank you to everybody who watched those. It seems like you guys really enjoyed them this year and I had a lot of fun making them. And it was a much less stressful year for me. So thank you all very much. But today I'm feeling good. Like I feel like I just want to do some really pretty like neutral makeup. Please ignore my nails. I know they need redone. But I have a lot of stuff to film today and I just want something really, easy to work with. So that is what we're gonna do today. So I have a bunch of neutral palettes I haven't touched in a while. So just a little bit of Shop My Stash, a little bit of, just regular old makeup tutorial. So let's get started. I'm just gonna start by concealing with the Pretty Fresh concealer. I haven't used this in a while. For anything really. Not that I don't like it, I just haven't touched it recently. So blend this out as our base. Also on my skin, in the morning I've been putting on, I don't know that they're making it anymore, I at least know that Target's not selling it anymore, the Garnier Canopy Pore Serum Cream, I think is what it's called. It's like a SPF, a serum, and a moisturizer all in one, and I really like what it's doing for my skin. So that is what I have on currently. It's just really moisturizing and says you can use it as a makeup primer, so I am. So I'm going to start by taking a fluffy brush and just a really creamy, I wouldn't even call it white, it's probably closer to taupe, but it's just an off-white color, and I'm going to go in and highlight under the brows. So just right underneath, laying some of that color down. And then we're going to pick some up as well to pack on the lids and in the crease so that we set our concealer. So now I'm going to take just like a really light brown and lay this down as our transition color just above the crease, again with a fluffy brush. This one is kind of tapered, so if you want to use one like this so that it gets in there a little bit better, that is fine. But we're just going to lay this down as our transition. Making sure we're blending it out because this isn't going to be like a big, colorful, cut crease or anything. I just want it to be really simple, still really pretty, like we're going to have some sparkle elements in here, but just something a little bit that I don't do a lot. I don't do that many neutral makeup tutorials. Usually everything's colorful because I love colorful makeup. Like not everyone can wear this to their like normal office job. Using the same brush, I'm going to go in and darken up the crease with just kind of more of a chocolate brown. I'm just being really careful that we don't get this all over the place and it doesn't make a mess. So just starting on the outside and then dragging it over into the inside using little circular motions, just blending it toward the middle. Because I'm going to have it darkest on the outer corner. So you want to make sure that you're really blending it so it doesn't just look like this big splotch. Now on the lid, I'm torn. I don't want to do a gold, but I don't want to do brown either. So I'm going to take this kind of bronze color I have. It's like a peanut buttery brown. And you'll see when I swipe it on what I mean. Like, see, it's very bronze, but warm. So we're just gonna pack this on the lid with a flat brush. Making sure there's no clumpy parts. I hate when like foiled or glitter shadows like this that are super shimmery, especially when they're this warm, when they leave like big chunks on your lid. So I'm just taking that blending brush we were using before for our crease and just gonna go over the edges of this so that it blends nicely, because I don't put this shadow up into the crease. I just let it barely touch it and then blend it so that that shimmer doesn't go too high up. So just use that brush, whatever product's left on it, to work out those harsh edges. For eyeliner, I'm going in with my NYX gel eyeliner. I haven't been using liquid liner at all, actually. I don't think I used it at all in October, mainly because I ran out and then they discontinued it. But now they're bringing it back because NYX listened to their customers. So they are bringing back the matte liner. But until I can get my hands on it, this is what I'm using. So this is all I'm doing, just a simple wing. I don't have any lashes today, so I'm not making it super, super thick. But for mascara, I'm gonna use the Lash Paradise because she's the best. Okay, I have my liner and my mascara done, so let's just do our base and get it out of the way. Right now, my shade is F4 from Revolution, Makeup Revolution, whatever you want to call it. And this is the Conceal and Define foundation, also known as my favorite foundation. Actually, matte and poreless is still my favorite. However, this is a close second. So just put a whole bunch of that on your face. And then today, I guess we'll go with the brush method. I have my Sigma brush, and we'll just buff all this out. Making sure we clean up right along the liner, right under our eyes. So we're gonna put our concealer on. We have a nice neutral base to start with again. And then just blend it out. Right, and for concealer, just doing the Pretty Fresh under my eyes, a little on my nose because it's a little bit red today for some reason. Just blend that out there. Under the eyes, I'm just gonna go in and do a little bit more of that chocolate brown color we did earlier in the crease. So just lay it down underneath with a liner brush. It's nothing crazy, but it's going to accentuate the eye a little bit and just clean up the bottom a little. I feel like just adding it underneath makes it pop so much more, and especially for my eyes because I'm using colors that do accentuate my eye color. Now we're going to go into contour, just a little light contour today. I don't want anything crazy. So I'm just taking my angle brush and going in right under my cheeks. All I'm gonna do for contour today, I don't want to do too much. Instead of blush, I'm gonna use a little bit of this bronzer from Physicians Formula. It's this, like, you gotta take this little brush out, and you gotta take this little poof out. And I'm just gonna take, like, move the little beads around. Just add a little bit to my cheeks. I'm gonna go in with a ColourPop highlighter. This is Monster. It's a white based duochrome highlight. It has a little shift of pink in it. So we're gonna pop this on. Just with your finger. I love the Super Shock shadows, and it's kind of sad to me that ColourPop has transitioned so much into the pressed powders because the Super Shocks were so good and like so revolutionary at the time. Time to do my brows, so I'm gonna go do those real quick and I'll be back to finish off with the lips. So my brows are done. I have my little brow gel in, and now for the lips, I'm just gonna do something really simple. I just want to do like my normal kind of mauve-y nude pink color. So I'm going in with a Alluring pencil from NYX. And then just gonna go in with my kind of mauve-y, nude pink color. Hard to describe. All right, so this is it for my fall makeup look. It's just very simple. You know, I might not even put a wig. I'm kind of digging this headband. So if you guys enjoy this look, please let me know down below. Make sure you like, comment, share my videos. It helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one.